Hey there, tech enthusiasts and future-forward thinkers. Welcome to cashFlow Workshop, your go-to spot for all things innovative and transformative. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you. We're unveiling 7 ways to make money using AI in 2024. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single minute of this. Stay tuned till the end because we have a mind-blowing bonus tip that could be a game changer in your AI journey. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay on the forefront of tech with us. But wait, there's more. One of these methods isn't just lucrative, it's also incredibly unique. It's something you might not have even thought was possible with AI. Can you guess which one it is? Drop your guesses in the comments, and let's see if you're right at the end of the video. Number 1, AI content creation. First up, AI content creation. With tools like OpenAI's GPT-4, creating high-quality content has never been easier. Whether it's blogging, script writing, or video production, AI can help you generate ideas, write drafts, and even create visuals. You can monetize this through freelance writing, content marketing, or by creating and selling digital products. Second on our list is AI in e-commerce. AI tools can predict shopping trends, personalize customer experiences, and optimize inventory. If you have an online store, integrating AI can boost your sales, or you can consult for e-commerce businesses to help them leverage AI technologies. Number 3, stock market and crypto trading with AI. AI algorithms can analyze market trends and make predictions, helping traders make informed decisions. You can make money by using AI trading bots or offering AI-driven financial advice. Fourth, AI in game development. AI is changing how games are designed, making them more immersive and dynamic. If you're a game developer, incorporating AI can make your game stand out. You can also create and sell AI tools for game development. Fifth, educational AI tools. AI is making learning more accessible and personalized. Develop AI-driven educational apps, offer tutoring services using AI, or create educational content that leverages AI for a better learning experience. Sixth, AI in art and design. AI isn't just for techies. Artists and designers are using it to create stunning works. Sell AI-generated art, offer design services using AI tools, or teach others how to use AI in their creative process. Now remember the mystery I mentioned at the beginning? It's time for the big reveal. Which of the methods we discussed today did you think was the most unique and potentially lucrative? Let's find out if you guessed it right. The most unique and incredibly promising way to make money using AI in 2024 is AI in personalized health and wellness. That's right. Beyond the realms of content creation, e-commerce, and art, AI is making massive strides in personalized health and wellness. Imagine an AI that can tailor diet plans, fitness routines, or even mental wellness programs based on your DNA, lifestyle, and health data. This field is not just about making money. It's about revolutionizing how we approach personal well-being. And for our bonus tip, keep an eye on AI-powered environmental solutions. As we become more conscious of our planet, AI-driven technologies in recycling, renewable energy, and sustainable living are not just going to be profitable, they're going to be essential. So there you have it, folks. A journey through the exciting world of AI and its limitless potential. Did your guess match our mystery method? Whether it did or didn't, the future is bright, and AI is at its forefront. Remember, the key is to start exploring these opportunities now. On our channel, we've got an entire playlist dedicated to passive income ideas. From real estate investments to online businesses, we cover it all. After this video, make sure to check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep innovating, and see you on the cutting edge of technology.